Hey, come on in. Welcome to my house. So then we walk into our formal living room. We're not very formal people, but this is kind of like where we hung out a lot of the times when we were doing our big renovation on the other side of the house. So we spent a lot of time in here. One of the things that we did in here to make a major change was there was an archway opening instead of a squared off opening. I thought by opening this up even larger and putting the square opening, kind of modernized it a little bit. I love straight lines. And it's quite interesting too, because this is a very economical way to create a partition with just 4 French doors. So we stabilized this one and stabilized that one, and these two just do a soft close. So it's quite nice, and when the fireplace is on, this keeps it nice and warm in here, and we love it. Grass cloth wallpaper. One thing that everyone should know about grass cloth is it's a natural fiber. You will definitely see the seams in a grass cloth. So if you like that look, great. Oh, well, one of the things that people don't know, this is a secret little room into the smallest, sneaky little bathroom that nobody knows about. So I love being able to be the one that only gets to use it. I love this cabinet. We picked up this cabinet from a friend of ours when we first moved here to Ridgefield, who luckily she couldn't fit it in her home. So I was able to purchase it off of her. It's just unique. It's not an antique, but it definitely has some antique look to it. What we've done is we've created a very neutral palette in here, keeping it all cohesive, the blue and white ceramics. And then I took these books and I took the wallpaper actually left over from the foyer and wrapped all of the books with the same wallpaper. So I absolutely love this. We currently don't have lighting in there, but I use the rechargeable lights that you can get off of our Amazon shop.